If you need to reset your password on ExpressVPN, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the ExpressVPN website. Open your web browser and go to the official ExpressVPN website. Look for the login section to begin the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from ExpressVPN in your inbox. It should contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements, and confirm it before submitting. Once you have reset your password, you can log into your ExpressVPN account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ExpressVPN support for assistance.